Nomadic.
Yo! It's January na naman everyone. Bilis ng panahon no? We are starting another year of adventure for today's vlog, going back to Castlepoint. Mas relax ang vlog na to compared to the first time we went there kasi medyo alam na natin yung place. And this time, we just went there to just enjoy the view and sea breeze. I am your Nomadic Juan, and this is episode 18 of our Baeyahe with me in New Zealand. This is Castlepoint Part 2.
Nomadic.
Kamusta mga Juan? I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang iyong hugot travel bay na may puso, and welcome back to another vlog. So, bumalik tayo ng Castlepoint. Andito ulit tayo sa Castlepoint. Kung malalayo nyo yung episode 11 ng Baeyahe with me in New Zealand, nagpunta tayo ng Castlepoint. So, that time kasama natin ang Team SG. So, bumalik tayo dito sa Castlepoint. And this is episode 18 of our Baeyahe with me in New Zealand. So, explore natin yung Castlepoint everyone. Sinama natin si Marie kasi nagbi-visit siya dito sa may Wellington. So, kain muna tayo. Keep on watching.
And for today's vlog, ang hugot natin ay gratitude. Big word. For this new year, I just want to thank God for all the answered prayers and blessings na na-receive ko last year. May it be realizations, failures, or struggles, I am still thankful and forever grateful. Alam niyo kung bakit? Because this helps us grow and be the best version of ourselves. And I am ready for another year of blessings, prosperity, wealth, financial abundance, and good health this 2025. Keep praying lang everyone sa lahat ng goals natin sa buhay. If God wants you to have it, the blessings will forever have your name on it. Kaya importante na huwag kang mag-overthink bakit nangyayari ang ganito ganyan sa buhay natin. Sabi nila, there is a divine timing and purpose attached to every circumstances you face in life. When you begin to build that faith, you will gain confidence towards God's plan for your life. You will soon realize that you're always in the process of becoming, and God is always in your corner no matter what. Maikli lang buhay, piling mong maging masaya, and let your light shine so bright that others can find their way out of the darkness. Always remember, you are blessed, thriving, and highly favored. Like I am blessed, thriving, and highly favored. Hey!
So, ayun mga Juan, katapos lang natin kumain dun sa may cliff and ganda ng view habang kumakain tayo ng lunch kasi gutom na rin kami. So, nag-ulam tayo ng adobo, toyo, at saka yung in-order natin na ensimada ni Ate Minelli. Shout out sa iyo, Ate Minelli. So, ayun. Balik na tayo ng car and then puntahan ulit natin yung lighthouse. Keep on watching everyone.
You got me begging pretty please. I'm so hung up on you. I couldn't tell you what it feels like, but I sure think you do. Where do you go when your glass ends up empty? Oh, I wanna know, won't you let me know? You leave me wasted. Oh, I wanna know. We're only lovers when we count down. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're not bound. Lovers on the clock.
So ito na yung viewing deck ng Castlepoint Lighthouse, everyone. So ito yung pinakadulong parte at kitang-kita mo yung karagatan. Yan.
We spend the night on bubble bliss, forever lasting. I know you never would admit it, but I can see through you. Where do you go when your glass end up empty? Oh, I wanna know, won't you let me know? Where do you hide when you leave me wasted? Oh, I wanna know.
And that's it mga Juan. So tatapusin na natin tong vlog natin. It's episode 18 of our Baeyahe with me in New Zealand. At bumalik tayo ng Castlepoint Lighthouse. So short vlog lang siya, everyone, kasi meron na tayong entry dito dati. I-check nyo yung episode 11 ko sa Baeyahe with me in New Zealand. So ayun, nag-lunch lang tayo dito and then konting sightseeing. And then pabalik na tayo ng car kasi medyo mainit na and malayo pa yung travel natin, around 2 hours and 35 minutes. So maganda mag-distress dito, everyone. Langhap ng sariwang hangin and then unwind, gano'n. So sa mga bago pa lang sa channel ko, I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang yung hugot travel bay na may puso. At kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para naman updated kayo sa mga future vlogs ko. So yun lang, everyone, and don't forget to keep your light shine so bright so that others can find their way out of the darkness.